The sharpening tungsten carbide. Use the corner to sharpen the concave cutter and knob cutter. So you sharpen inside. You hold this corner and then scrape it down one direction. You can see the line there. That's where the tools come in. See that line? You want to stay flat to that line, and you work only inside.
Just using the corner?
Yeah, you're gonna feel the burr coming to this side, and then just get rid of the burr. Done. So if it's dull, you might have to do the inside a little bit longer. That's about it. That's how you sharp the concave cutter and knob cutter.